let's take a look at how you can install CouchDB in Linux. So basically we are making use of openSUSE for this example. So let's go to our terminal, right? We will have it in the background. Meanwhile, if we go to CouchDB website, there is download button that takes you to option to download CouchDB for multiple OS. So here you see Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Enterprise Linux, CentOS packages. So select that and let's go to the respective page where you get those options. So here you see currently it has option for enabling repository. So we will take a look at what is possible in case of openSUSE, right? So here, as you can see, currently it has option sudo yum install CouchDB for Red Hat specific distros. So in case of openSUSE, we have zipper. Now when it redirects you to the page where it asks you to add the repository for this CouchDB in your distro, currently it has option in case of Red Hat or CentOS, where you can see it asks you to add CouchDB repository. Now there is also option for sudo zipper install CouchDB. Okay, and then there is one more option which is installing through snap. So with snap you can see, right? So basically we can go to this particular install by simply typing in sudo snap install CouchDB. Okay, there is also desktop store, but I have not yet installed that for openSUSE. So I will go through command line option, paste this command and hit enter. Make sure to add sudo password. Let's find out if it has that particular package to install. After installing the CouchDB, next thing we will do is we will go to CouchDB package GitHub page where you can see next command is to set our CouchDB admin password, right? So let's copy it here, paste it. Let's give it password something like demo 2022, right? Hit enter. Right, we have set the password. Now let's start our CouchDB server, and it has started. Now how to check for whether we have managed to run this or not? What we can do is we can check 127.0.0.1.5984, then underscore utils, and it should load you this project Foxton. And here we'll just have to type in admin, then demo 22, don't save, and here you see, right? So this is pretty much what you get after installation and starting the CouchDB service.